In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labels in Pipedrive. Labels are a simple way to visually organize your deals, highlight priorities, and keep your pipeline easy to scan at a glance. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a label, save it, and apply it to a deal, all from within the deal's summary panel. Start on your Pipedrive homepage. From here, head straight to the Deals section. This is where you'll see your pipeline and all your deal cards. If you work with multiple pipelines, make sure you're looking at the one where the deal you want to label lives, so you can find it quickly. Next, click the deal you want to label. This opens the deal view, which gives you the full context, the deal title, value, stage, and the right-hand summary area. It's in that summary area where you'll manage labels, so keep your focus there. In the summary options, click Add Labels. This opens the label creation and selection panel. If you've never used labels before, think of them as quick tags you can apply to deals to call out important attributes, like priority level, deal type, or special handling instructions. Keep them short and clear so your team understands them instantly. Customize your label based on your topic or need. Give it a straightforward name that your team will immediately recognize. If you're able to choose a color, pick one that stands out but remains consistent with how your team uses colors elsewhere. For example, warm colors often signal urgency, while cooler tones can represent standard or informational tags. Consistency matters here. A clear naming convention like Priority High or Lead Partner keeps labels tidy and meaningful across your pipeline. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save. This action creates the label and adds it to your available label list without changing anything else about the deal just yet. Saving first ensures the label is stored and can be reused later on other deals, which is great for maintaining a clean, standardized system. Finally, select the label you just created to apply it to the deal. You should see it appear immediately in the deal's header or summary area. If you jump back to your pipeline view, the label will also help the deal stand out visually, making it easier to filter mentally as you review your board. If it doesn't show right away, a quick refresh or revisiting the deal usually does the trick. That's it. You've created a label, saved it, and applied it to a deal. Use clear names, keep your set of labels intentional, and your pipeline will stay organized and easy to manage.